Class 9th, Subject History, Chapter 3, India's Internal Challenges. Exercise. Question 1. Write in Brave Fly. 1. Which demands were put forward through the Anandapur Sahib resolution by the Akali Dal? Answer 1. The Akali Dal passed in Anandapur Sahib resolution in 1973. 2. The following demands were made in this resolution. 1. Chandigarh should be made part of Punjab. 2. The Punjabi speaking parts in other states should be included in the state of Punjab. 3. Recruitment of people from Punjab to the Indian Army should be increased. 4. More autonomy should be given to the state of Punjab. 2. What can we do to end communalism? Answer. We can do the following things to end communalism. 1. We should mix with people of different religions. 2. We should accept the good ideas and practices of each other. 3. We should look at the understand our economic and social problems rationally. We should not mix these questions with religion. 4. We should search for the economic, political, or historical reasons that are responsible for disturbing religious harmony. 3. When does regionalism become strong? Answer. Regionalism becomes strong due to the following factors. 1. Regionalism thrives on regional imbalance in development in the post-independence period. Some states achieved more progress while some states remained backward. 2. The developed states have achieved progress in education and health. The states which have not developed in this manner remain backward in education and civic amenities. 3. The opportunities of development available to people in developed states are not possible for in backward states. 4. The people in backward area feel that they are cheated and kept away from the benefits of development as the people in the developed regions are unwilling to share the benefits. 5. The regional identity is aroused and people prepare themselves for political action. Question 2. Explain the following concepts in your own words. 1. Communalism. Answer. 1. Communalism is excessive love for one's own religion and hatred for the other religions and their followers. 2. Excessive love for one's own religion assumes the form of fanaticism and the fanatics spread the message of hatred and violence. 3. Communalism assumes the form of communal tension even on the shall is issued. 4. Communal tension breaks out in the form of communal riots which destroy social harmony and mutual trust among the people. 2. Regionalism. Answer. 1. Regionalism in excessive pride about one's region, its language and culture. 2. It means to regard the people of the regions, their language and culture as inferior. 3. Imbalance in economic developments is responsible for widening the gulf between the developed and less developed states. 4. It is a threat to the unity of the nation. Question 3. Give reasons. 1. It's become necessary to carry out the Operation Blue Star. Answer 1. The movement for independent Khalistan took roots in Punjab in 1980. 2. The armed followers of Sant Jarnail Singh Bhindranwale, the staunch supporter of Khalistan, gathered outside the Golden Temple and started tourist activities. 3. After the arrest of Bhindranwale, the law and orders situation worsens and President's rule was imposed on Punjab in 1983. Bhindranwale occupied Akal Takht and his followers captured the Golden Temple. 4. These activities disturbed the peace in Punjab and thus was a major challenge to Indian democracy. Therefore, it became necessary to carry out the Operation Blue Star. 2. We should fight communalism with all our strength. Answer 1. Communalism emerges out of narrow religions, pride, and leads to communal riots. 2. Hundreds of innocent people are killed and public property worth crores of rupees is damaged. 3. People are estranged with each other and mutual trust receives a setback due to the bitter memories of riots. 4. Communalism is a serious threat to the unity of the country. Therefore, we should fight communalism with all our strength. Question 4. Write the full forms. 1. MNF. Answer. Mizo National Front. 2. NNC. Answer. Naga National Council. 3. PLGA. Answer. People's Liberation Guerrilla Army.